Hi guys. Today we'll explain how to add your name on Vanilla gift card. This process will be simple and easy. The first thing is open your computer browser and head over to the main website of Vanilla gift card. The next thing is you will see a lot of options on the top of this website. You can see the option of create a custom design card. This one is activate your card and this one check balance. In order to add your name on card, you have to tap on this option, create a custom design, and then you have to select this option design logo card. And here you have to drag and drop your file. Like I said, I will upload a logo. So how can you create a logo in order to create a logo? You have to use Canva, or you can use CapCut or any other apps. Let me show you the logo which I created in Canva. As you can see, I have created this logo of my name. Now I will go to my computer and will upload that logo in the Vanilla website. Let me drag and drop. You can see my name. The next step is you have to choose everything by yourself and then click on this option and click on the option next step. And here, you have to enter the card value and all of the remaining things by yourself. And here you can also see my own name. So by using this method, you can enter your name on Vanilla. And the last thing is tap on the option, add to cart or whatever you want. And it was the way by you can add your name on Vanilla gift card.